Hi guys, I'm Ravikram. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the ride review of KTM 250 Adventure. So this is the brand new 250 Adventure from KTM. So this bike actually looks same like it's bigger bike KTM 390. So there is a change in headlamp as well as instrumentation console. So if you want to see the futuristic video, I have already posted a video on it, so you can watch that video from my iCards. So let's go for a ride and see the ride impressions, how is the acceleration, its suspension on road and as well as off-road. So let me tell you one thing, the ABS and speedometer, these two are turned off, so don't message me in the comment section about this thing. So you can see the rev meter, no problem with that. So let's go for a ride. So initial impressions, wow, power is very good, man. So basically this has 250cc engine which produces 29.5 bhp power at 24 Newton meters of torque. So 29.5 bhp power for 250cc is very good for this. There is adequate amount of power in each and every gear, as I have been driving this vehicle for last couple of hours. So first thing, I have to thank you KTM Kukatpalli for providing me this vehicle. Wow. So this is one of the affordable 250 Adventure in its segment. Now let's take a short off-road patch. So here we have an off-road patch where I did a futuristic video in this area. So you can saddle on this bike without any problem. You can stand and ride this bike without any issues at all. Now I'm saddling on this vehicle and you can take this bike in off-road with ease, and suspension quality is very great. So basically you have 43mm USD forks, upside down forks, that is from WP Apex, and they produce good amount of ride feel during the ride in off-road as well as on-road. And the suspension travel is also good, and you got a good amount of ground clearance of 200mm. And look at here, wow, man, you can do some crazy slides on this vehicle. You can turn off the rear wheel ABS, and there is an option of turning ABS off. So if you turn off the ABS, you can take this bike out in off-road and you can do crazy slides. So in off-road, suspension quality is very great, and there is also an option of adjusting the rear monoshock shock absorber so that you can make it either stiff or else soft. So we are on the main road. Wow. And since I'm riding this vehicle without ABS, the braking bite is very good, as we have 4-piston calipers on the front and single piston caliper on the rear, and they are from Vibri. Let's talk about the main changes that have been done on this 250 with 390. So there is a change in headlamp as well as this TFT screen. This is a basic screen with white color backlit display, so you don't get any Bluetooth connectivity in that. So there is no options on the left switch controller. So you got RPM meter, fuel gauge, time, gear indicator, and there is an option to change the information like range, trip 1, trip 2, and low fuel. So the information will be displayed here, and odometer. And let's check the power once. As soon as I open the throttle, I can feel the amount of torque that is kicking in. But the problem with this KTM 250 Adventure is its vibrations. I don't know if I'm getting with this new bike. There are little vibrations on the foot pegs, on brake side as well as gear lever side. But if you wear a high shoes, then the vibrations will be minimized. Let's check it one more time. And the persons who are above 5'8" can easily access the vehicle, and for short riders you will find little bit difficult to ride this vehicle. So because the seat height is very high, and if you take this bike in uneven surfaces, you might find little difficult in handling the vehicle. And this bike is priced at rupees 2,84,000 on road, and these prices will be changed depending upon your current location, as I said. So I'll drop the showroom details below. You can contact the sales manager. I'll share his details, so do contact him for exact details. And you can also inquire about the finance options as well. So this is all about the ride impressions and ride review of KTM 250 Adventure. And if you want to see the in detail featured video, you can watch that video from my card. So that's it for today's video. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, share the video with your friends, and a little amount of support is needed from your side, and I will be providing new content like this. So if you have any doubts regarding this vehicle, you can message me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasturi, so you can message me on that. Have any doubts? So keep following me. This is Ravikiran signing off.